Hi there, this is Lynn O'Shaughnessy, and if you're watching this video, it's because you've taken one of my classes, online classes before, and I want to thank you again for that. I've heard from a lot of people who have taken my classes in the past who have benefited greatly, and I hope that you're among those. Now, the reason why I'm reaching out to you today is because I'm starting a new College Cost Lab, and I'd love to invite you to attend. I think there's going to be, in particular, a new feature in this class that would benefit you. And that's something I'm calling the master's level. It's something new. And within this master's level are a couple big features. Number one, I am creating for people in the master's level a private Facebook group. The reason I'm doing this is I've always kind of been troubled that there isn't, I've tried, but I think I've kind of failed in building a community in my previous college cost labs. And that's a shame because there are so many interesting people in my classes from all over the country and even overseas. Parents, some high school counselors, college consultants, and I would love to get them in one place so they can share their successes, their frustrations, their questions. So that I'm really excited about. The other thing you should know about the Facebook group is that I am going to be answering questions in the Facebook group for every day for 4 months. I will jump in there and answer questions. Your membership in this Facebook group lasts a lifetime. You can stay as long as you want, but I will be answering questions for 4 months, which is 2 months longer than the College Cost Lab itself. That class will continue to be 8 weeks long. The other thing I'm going to be doing in the Facebook group is jumping on and sharing things that come up that I think everyone should know about. And this is going to be easier with a Facebook group than with my class. So, for instance, something that would be of interest to I think a lot of people that I would share would be, for instance, that the College Board has decided that's going to start offering a summer test date for students. And this is something that families have been clamoring about for years, and they're finally going to do it in 2017. So that's just one of the many things that I could share in this Facebook group. Now, the other feature that this master's level is going to have is 2 additional webinars. Now, the College Cost Lab will have the 4 as usual webinars where I will, give a presentation and then answer questions and field all the questions till there's no more left. But with the master's level, I'm going to have 2 additional webinars, and I've decided to do them in the summer, long after the College Cost Lab is over, because, hey, people inevitably have questions later on. I get that from people, right? A lot of times people can't get through all the materials during the class or even a month or 2 after the class. I know how that is because I've taken a couple online classes myself in the past year and a half, and that's happened to me. So in this way, you can get a refresher in the summer. I'm thinking tentatively of offering the webinars in June and August. So that with the August date, I think will be particularly helpful for parents whose children will be applying to college in the fall, and also high school counselors or high school counselors and college consultants that are starting to think about issues as they face the new school year. So I'm excited about offering those webinars, and as always, all the webinars will be recorded and you'll get those and you can watch them at your leisure. Now, the College Cost Lab, I'm going to continue the same price, which is $295.95. The master's level, the more involved master's level, which will have me, you'll be able to have access to me for months, is going to be $149.95. Now, because you have taken one of my classes in the past, I want to make sure that you don't pay anywhere near that. So what I am going to do is offer the College Cost Lab as well as the master's level for $149.95. So you're basically saving about $300. Now, one other thing I want to remind you is that, as you probably already know, I don't do any individual college consulting. That's just not my area. There are other people that could do far better job of that than me. But if I did do, and people ask me that all the time though, they ask me, do you do college consulting? And say no, that's, I refer them to places where they can find good counselors, consultants. But if I did do it, I would charge probably anywhere from $200 to $250 an hour. So by getting the master's level, you are getting access to me for many months for a much lower price than I would charge for just 1 hour of one-to-one. So anyway, that is what's coming down the pike. I hope that you are interested. If you still need me, if your children are not heading off to college in the fall or earlier, and you could use some more advice and guidance, I would love for you to join the new College Costs Lab in the master's level. So if you're interested, I would urge you to sign up today, and we'll get started very soon. Thank you.